Hey everyone, Chris here from Aussie Bricks. Now today we're checking out this modular house MOC that is still waiting to go into the Lego City. We do need to make some modifications at the rear. It's come to my attention through some subscriber comments that maybe if we extend this area out here, maybe 2 or 4 studs, we'll get a little bit more space on the inside because currently it's a little bit tight. And you know, I was thinking to put the bedroom area here and a bathroom in here, but it just doesn't look like it's going to work properly. But if I can extend this out by 4 more studs, I could probably put the bedroom in this area and then put the bathroom in this area upstairs. And downstairs, it will give me a lot more room to add in the kitchen area. So we'll start on the base floor here. Now I've gotten all the pieces that I think I might need ready to go in bags over here. Don't pay attention to this MOC that's sitting in the background. It's half finished, but we will be having some videos on this when I get the ground floor sorted out. I'll build it with you guys so you can see the process that we've gone through to build that hospital MOC. So that's a video that's coming. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. All right, so let's get into this here and we'll start by pulling it apart very gently. Easy does it. It's kind of easy because there's a lot of panels being used in this modular, which makes it a lot easier to pull apart and put back together. Pull that wall out. Where is my Lego separating tool? I don't think it's on the bench. Oh, there it is. It's always the most annoying part, having to pull apart something that you've put so much effort into. You think you have it perfect the first time, but it's never really the case. There's always something that you could do to fix it up and make it so much better. Okay. Now let me look at the black plates that I've got here. Yes, I think we're gonna bring it out completely by 4 studs. So we're gonna need to pull quite a lot of this apart. What plate do we have there? Not too bad so far. Do always like to try and use as many of the pieces that I've already used in this in my building, so I don't have to, you know, go through my other pieces and use extra. But it looks like I need a couple of extra grey pieces. So 1 by 1. Not too bad actually. I'm not that bad at all, to be honest. It's gonna come together quite easily. Put that piece back in there. Now, get some dark bluish grey plates going. Oh, this is too easy. I didn't expect that I would have the right plates ready to go. Might be a bit loose there. Let me see what I've got to go underneath. We'll use some of these coloured pieces. Just gives it a bit of a solid base there. So when we're doing the internals, we don't have too much of the floor squashing down. All right, now this is the hard part, putting it back together and it not looking too bad. I'm a little bit disappointed about the steps. I think I'm gonna have a problem with those at the back door. Just doesn't feel right. Don't know, let me know what you think about the steps, about the back door positioning. It's a little bit, maybe I could put the back door here. Like so. And have, yeah, I think I know what I'm gonna do there. We'll leave that for the moment, but maybe I'll just put the door in there ready to go. Yeah, I think the back door can go over here. I think that's gonna look okay. Now I did have this little side window in there. That's sort of disappointing that that's been taken out. Do I need that to line up? I don't know if I need it to line up with the front windows or not. Don't think it matters. Now, let's get this side back on. Yep. So we've still got the same sort of dimensions here, which is pretty good. Don't have to rebuild much of this side area. Oh, that's almost perfect that it's going back so easily. This one was in the front, I think. Let's turn that around. Yes, it was. This back on top here. What was there? Kind of been like that. Let's leave it like that for the moment. Oh, it may have been. I may have had a. I'll join that up the top there, I think, and give that a bit more stability across the top. That's what I'm going to do with that one. All right. So now I did have an arch on the inside there. I think that might have to come out altogether. Yeah. That's a lot of bricks in there for no reason at all, but it's working, so let's leave it as it is. Now the arch is completely gone. This is for the back window. Where did that piece go? No, that's not for the back window. It is for the door. Go one by one on the inside. that's good. Now, did I have any panels? What was in the back? There was no panel. I've got a panel, but it's not going to fit if I keep those windows. Do I keep the window or do I use a panel? Because now that I've put that in, yeah, okay. It's going to be too many 4 pieces all stacked on top of each other. It might not look that great. I guess when I put the downpipes in, maybe it can come down here, and I'll have to remove some of these 4s and put in some modified bricks. That could be what I need to do. Oh, slowly running out of pieces. This is very tight. All of the dark red pieces that I have are literally here on the bench and no more to work with, so I have to be conservative. But we can see, yeah, it's taking shape. Oh, I say I don't have much more to work with. I've still got to do the second floor. I cannot forget about that, can I? Okay, now let's get some of these going. Finish that top layer there. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Of course, it's an odd number. 6. 7, 8, 9. I probably need to, oh, that's where these pieces are. I might just put it in there, give it a bit of strength on the corner. Alright, so we've got 1 and it's got 2 that's stuck over here. That's the 2 pieces to hold the second floor on. But I need to finish that off there. Okay, all right. This is not too bad actually. I think it's gonna work. I mean, the back is going to be a very tight little garden area, but once it's up against another modular that will hopefully have some more space at the back, it won't be so tight. And even if it is, it doesn't really matter. All right, let's move the bottom floor away. Let's get this one going. So now I've got the black. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna have to join that up. Yeah, this is a lot of little plates here. I knew this was gonna be a headache. Okay. Now let's make this floor. We're a bit loose. We are very loose in there. Better look at the bottom. What's going on at the bottom? Okay, so we need to tighten that up a little bit. It's probably overkill, but I'm going to put a 2 by 4. Yep. That should keep that floor nice and stable. Oh, I say stable and then I pull it apart. Okay, let's get on this building the back wall back up. Oh, why is it so loose? Come on, I reinforced a lot. What's going on? Okay, maybe it just doesn't like me handling it. Clearly it doesn't like me handling it. Now I'm going to pull this wall out here, just so I can add some strength along here. We'll put 2 layers of the 4, that's fine, but I really need to get that, yeah. All right, so we've got some form of stability now, sort of, with that wall taking shape. It's not as loose. Put those panels back in place, the dreaded panels. You know what, I think I had here it is. One by 1 by 5. Okay, let's put in some 4s. Yeah, I'm running out of the 4s again. I've only got lots of 3s, 2s, and 1s. It's all right, we're almost there on this top level. Okay. There's more 4s here, hiding from me. Okay, some longer pieces. So I cannot believe I've actually had enough. I thought I would definitely run out of pieces before I got to the end. Right, let's get this layer back on. Okay, I'm sort of very happy with myself that this has taken shape so good. Okay, I spoke too soon. Where are the rest of these? It's fine. I need a 1 by 2. Okay, there it is, a 1 by 2 tile. All right, I think now we've definitely got the space in here that we need to do everything that we want. Much, much better. Let's get the ground floor back. Need to clear some space. I've got bits everywhere. Yeah, I think that's going to be much, much better. A lot more space on the interior now for everything that we need. This grandfather clock has moved. Pop that back at the front door. Actually, I might just change those 2 and 4. Actually, did I have a 4 by 4 in here? Yeah, I'll just use 2 4s. Strengthen that. second level back on. Ooh, now this was the test, you know. Is there some problem? No. What's going on there? Oh. Ah, I wondered why there was a gap there. All right. I think we're going to be able to make this back door work. Don't know how, but I think I might sort that out when I finalize the downpipes on the back. But I think it's going to be okay, that little space. I just need to work out a little, like how's the landing going to work, and then bring the stairs down this way. But that's worked out pretty well. Yes, happy with that. Now the roof is going to be the problem, isn't it? Because it was not designed for this extra piece. What are we going to do? That's a very big reworking of these sloped tiles here. Oh, I've got that belongs on the top there. Yes, well, I think we have to get stuck into that part as well, just to properly finish it off. I'm going to regret my decision here. I can sense it, because, yeah. Whew, that was hard work. Put the roof back on. And there goes the bat again. But now that we've got all that back together, let's take a look. Yeah, I mean, it's very boring. I mean, you can see that, very boring. Probably does need a window. Does it need a window? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm not sure if I've got enough parts for a window. That might be a future project, the window. But I think it's going to be okay maybe without the window, because like I said, we'll get some downpipe going. We might have to put it across the back here just to give it a bit of extra detail. But now I do want to try and finish this steps off today. Now I don't really want to leave it unfinished. What do you think of that? I think those steps are not bad, actually. Gives it a little bit of something different. Like, it's something you would see, a little ledge at the back door. I mean, not that there's any space once you open the door, but you know, it's realistic, I believe. And you know, we can pop these, we spread those out a little bit more because they don't butt up against the house very well. So to pop it in the middle brick there, middle stud, sorry. Spread these ones out. Yeah, I think that's fine. I think that looks alright. It's got that little bit of detail. Put this back on the roof. Yep, I think we got it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Have we figured it out? I think we've added all the space that we need now. Still got most of the, you know, like kept the window here and gotten all that extra space. I'm actually happy with it. I like this extra space at the top as well. I was thinking that I would probably not like it because it was sort of a nice feature to have this sort of roof hanging out a little bit, but now that it's done, I need to finish it off there with a 1x4, but now that it's done, I think it does look okay. I do want to hear what you've got to say though in the comments. It's very important. I want to know, do you think it's finished off now? All right, well, I think that's going to finish it off for today's video. Extending the back of the modular MOC. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next and what we do to the MOC, as well as the sneaky little preview of the hospital MOC that is coming up over there. Lots of pieces coming in a bricklink order for that one very soon. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.